How to add multiple photos on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok. Make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. Now at the bottom, you're going to find the fin option. Navigate to the plus option given at the bottom middle. For that, your camera will open up. As you want to select multiple photos to post on TikTok, click on the gallery option given over here. With that, your gallery will open up. Now check in for the option of select multiple. Now go ahead and select multiple pictures that you want to post. Then click on next. Once you have selected the picture, it's going to appear over here in this way. Click on this drop down. Now scrolling to the right, you will be able to find all the photos. Now at the right corner, you're going to find the fin option. From here, you can use these features and then edit your TikTok. Likewise, you can add a sound. And once you are done, click on next. Now provide all these details, add a catchy title, hashtag, link, and you can click on post. So this way you can easily add multiple photos on TikTok. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.